In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload CSV file on Salesforce. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a list of contacts from a CSV file into Salesforce using the built-in import tool, with a few tips to make the process smooth and error-free. Before we jump in, a quick reminder about your file. Make sure it's saved as a .csv with a single header row at the top. Keep column names clear and consistent, like first name, last name, email, and phone. Remove any formulas or extra tabs, and if you can, save the file in UTF-8 encoding to avoid strange character issues. This isn't required to click through the process, but it helps prevent common import hiccups. Let's get started. Open Salesforce in your web browser and sign in as you normally would. Once you're in, head to the Contacts area. You can select Contacts from your navigation bar. If you don't see it, search for Contacts from the app launcher and open it from there. On the Contacts page, look for the Import option and click Import. This opens Salesforce's import experience, tailored for bringing new contact records into your org. On the Import screen, choose to import from File. This tells Salesforce you'll be uploading a CSV from your computer, rather than copying and pasting or using another source. Then click. Next to proceed. You'll now be prompted to provide your file. Click Upload Files and select your CSV from your computer. Take a quick moment to confirm you've picked the correct file, especially if you keep multiple versions. Selecting the right one helps avoid loading outdated or partial data. After the file is attached, click Next. At this stage, Salesforce typically reviews your file and prepares it for import. If your column headers closely match common contact fields, Salesforce will often recognize them automatically. That's why having clear headers is so helpful. If you see a brief summary, just verify it looks right. When you're ready, click Start Import. Salesforce will begin processing your records in the background. Depending on the size of your CSV, this can take anywhere from a few moments to a bit longer. You can safely keep working in Salesforce or even step away. Salesforce will handle the rest. When the import finishes, you'll usually get a confirmation message. If any rows couldn't be imported, Salesforce will provide details so you can quickly correct and re-import just those rows later. That's it. You opened Salesforce, went to Contacts, launched Import, imported from File, click Next, uploaded your CSV, click Next again, and started the import. Thanks for watching and happy importing.